In response to the growing agricultural crisis caused by erratic weather patterns, the BTR government has announced measures to support distressed farmers across the region. BTR Chief Pramod Boro has expressed deep concern over the impact of climate change on the farming community. He stated that the BTC government is committed to assisting the affected families. To mitigate the crisis, the BTC government has pledged assistance to 1,66,600 farmers under various support schemes. Due to a significant decrease in rainfall this year, a drought-like situation has emerged across the 5 districts of BTR, Kokrajhar, Chirang, Baksa, Udalguri and Tamilpur. A total of 69,085 farming families in 1,541 villages across 18 revenue circles are facing uncertainty with an anticipated damage to over 24,618 hectares of agricultural land.
Amar protekto amar ADO office Amar agriculture office bilakot AEO office ADO office bilak AEA office bilakot ami ki korim ami kisuman format prodan korim tat khetiok hokole details dibo lagibo demographic details farmer or ki ase ki nai itu office dibo contact details land details existing crop kiba asil niki aro extent of affected by drought kiman area hoise irrigation facility asene nai available water source asene nai aro interested to grow the following crops ki kheti koriboloi tekat hokolor issa ase amar tat available ase agriculture kit bilag ami 17,000 farmer ok dibo paru spray machine ami 5,000 ok dibo paru alu kheti koriboloi 16,000 farmer ok ami etia khoi koribo paru makoi kheti koriboloi 25,000 farmer ok ami kheti khoi koribo paru aro various seeds planting materials 50,000 ok ami dibo paru mini power weeder ami 1,000 ok dibo paru mushroom kit 3,000 ok dibo paru pulse dali kheti koriboloi 10,000 farmer ok ami kheti koribo paru aru bibhinno mosola jatiyo kheti koriboloi 6,000 farmer ok ami kheti khoi koribo paru aru gote 3,000 pump set ami khetiok hokolok dibo paru gotike 1,66,600 farmer ok ami etia khoi koribo paru bibhinno prokare সরকারে এইখিনি সহায় আগবঢ়াব